Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the DJI Action 2 camera. This lightweight action camera is light and modular, components that can be attached magnetically. Before we begin, let's take a look at what's inside the package. Basically, there are two modules in the package. The first is the DJI Action 2, which features a 56 grams f1.7 sensor with a super wide 155 degrees FOV with EIS that can record up to 4K 120 frames per second. The other module is a front touch screen module, which also serves as the add-on battery plus microSD card slot for memory expansion. You also get a magnetic adapter mount, a magnetic ball joint adapter mount, a USB power cable, and a magnetic lanyard for wearing the DJI Action 2 at the front of your chest. As the DJI Action 2 has a magnetic patch, basically you can mount it on any metal surfaces. You can also mount the DJI Action 2 onto a small tripod using the magnetic ball joint adapter. This makes it easier for you to take vlogs while you're walking. If you choose to mount it near your chest, the chances are that you will get a shaky video if you choose to record, even if you choose to record in horizon balance mode. You can also mount the DJI Action 2 onto a small tripod using the magnetic ball joint adapter. This makes it easier for you to take vlogs. After powering up the DJI Action 2, you will see the main interface. On the top right is the battery indicator. On the top left is the amount of record time left. On the left is the playback button for the clips. On the bottom left corner is where you can set the different record modes. On the bottom right is the zoom factor of 1 to 3 times. On the right hand side you can choose the exposure, white balance and color mode. Click the left bottom button to select the resolution and frame rate to record your video. On the top right, you can choose 4 modes: off, steady, rock steady, horizon balancing and horizon steady. Take note that horizon steady is only for 2.7K 16:9 ratio recording. You can also turn on Pro mode, change the brightness, and check the storage, etc. Before you do your video shooting, there are a few settings that you need to know. This is important because a lot of complaints on the internet says that the Action 2 actually shuts down after a while and you cannot record for a long period. Now, firstly, you will need to actually go to the settings menu and then you change this particular setting called the auto stop record temperature threshold. You need to set it to high so that it will actually be able to withstand higher temperatures and not auto shut down. Secondly, you need to run the horizon calibration. Take note that horizon calibration will take some time to complete, so you have to be patient with it. Thirdly, to reduce the heat generated from the unit, you need to set the video compression mode to H.264. By default, it is set to HEVC, which does more computing and does generate more heat. The good thing about HEVC is that it compresses more and you can record longer videos. I choose the latter, which is the H.264, because it is more compatible with most of my video editing softwares. If you like, you can choose to turn on the voice control. The DJI Action 2 is not only an action camera, but it can be used to take static photos. You can take short clips, slow motion and time-lapse videos. While taking the video, you can manually set the EV, exposure, ISO settings in the manual mode. DSyn is also available for taking videos in low light environment, after which you can color grade your video. Let's take a look at some of the video shots taken by DJI Action 2 in 4K 16:9 steady mode, rock steady mode, horizon balancing. The last video is shot in 2.7K 16:9 in horizon steady mode. All the videos are shot in steady mode walking. Steady mode walking. Rock steady mode running. Horizontal balancing. Walking. Horizontal balancing, running. Horizontal steady. Horizontal steady 4K. Walking. Horizontal steady walking. Horizontal steady, running. In conclusion, the DJI Action 2 is a very compact solution for action recording. One click of the button and there's no lag in boot up and recording. The DJI Action 2 will need to improve on its battery life. If we were to calculate the amount of time that we can record on 4K 16:9 at 25 frames per second is only 25 minutes. If we were to set it to 1080p, it might be able to record 50 minutes of footage. Seriously, the lanyard is not very useful for taking walking videos as the video is very shaky due to the body movement. Video shot in low light areas tends to be a bit grainy, but that is expected unless you do active sports at night. Then this DJI Action 2 may not be that suitable even if you lower the shutter speed and increase the ISO through manual mode. I like the DJI Action 2 and hope there will be an Action 3 that bundles with a DJI microphone and a stick. Improvements should be made to have USB charging directly to the DJI Action 2 rather than going through the front touch screen models.